In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram content refresh feed problem easy and fast. So all what you have to do, guys, is simple. First step is go to Play Store to check if there is a new update for Instagram. If there is a new update, click on update right here. And if it's not, go back and go to the settings on your phone and go to Apps Manager, click on Apps, and right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do here is scroll down and you find Instagram like this, and after you find it, all what you have to do is just click on it, click on force stop, and then click on storage, click on clear data and clear cache and go back. Now the last step is restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved. If it's not, please check our other videos. See you later. Thank you so much.